Excellency, I want to ask you to close your ears for this negative impact and we switch on serving our county. There are many things that we have done that are putting us, even last time we were with you in Senate, you saw the assembly is working. Your Excellency, I want to say, even when we were saying, Your Excellency, let's stretch our feet and move fast, nobody spoke about it during that impeachment time. But now, they are opportunists. Don't worry. What will we fight for you, and will fight for us, and will give a better service for this country. Thank you.
Next year, chiripoti chiko soka, njiko soka buna chio mwako yobono. Ekora abantu bogire baro robo soku. Yugaba libo office ba tenenete finance. Mbaje koleta nandi baleta iwa so mugavana for next year. Igo abakongumbore Nyamira.
Asakene. Yende binda tari ebiro bolimo. Njabune chairman ebinde we have gone through them. Ebinde tari na bia moisonde. Ebinde bino abire ko 2019. Gocha. So bana tore ese process yo komanyangi kia bete ngakie ya of the right governor and the current governor na chibesa kia bana inchi chigo tumeka keregento ngeche isko asebono abantu abakuoga mono ekere tu abatagete mbatakonyeti wono rende ntutete tiko kwaite account tutete ko rane account ya chokire abantu abatiga bachamo bateberania sama gosale toikaranse korwa yo irire besa ya serikali anyairani
ase wodi ya
elimu ya kutosha. Waswahili husema tenda mema uende zako, usiangalie nyuma yale ambayo yanaongelewa na wale ambao labda wako na mipango yao. Kwa hivyo sisi kama waheshimiwa kutoka bunge letu la Nyamira tuko nyuma yako. Mipango yote ambayo umeweka mbele, ambayo tunaona inasaidia watu wetu, tutaisukuma pamoja na wewe ili tuhakikishe ya kwamba mambo yote ya Nyamira yako sawa. Asanteni.